Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create AdSense account for YouTube channel. You can put ads on your videos. I have done this multiple times. I've actually got about some monetized channels. So right now, I will show you how this works and it's not that complicated. So step number one is let's see is when you are able to get monetized basically. So once you have 1k subscribers and 4k hours of watch time, you can go into your YouTube studio, click on monetization right there and you will find this page. So I do not recommend creating an AdSense account before you are able to monetize it, because first of all there is no point of doing it since you are not gonna make any money anyway, and this is just easiest way to do this. So once you are able to do that, you can click right there. Step number 2, sign up for Google AdSense. All you need to do is click on here, and once you do that, it will send you over to this page where you can sign up. Now normally when you sign up, you would have to put in the URL of your site. If you do it by following these steps, like if you click right there, your YouTube channel link will automatically show up right there automatically. All you need to do is then give them your email address that you would like to use, and then you can click on yes right there and you can sign up. So basically what I recommend doing, let's see if I can actually get waiting until you get into this program right here, so that you can click on sign up for AdSense and you can then create an account, and this URL right there will then already be your YouTube channel. So that's what I would do, and that's how I have done it a couple of times. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.